Hello everybody, and welcome to a very rare occurrence here at LMM. We're releasing 2 videos in one day, and this is something we never thought we'd have to do. And it's basically because you guys are amazing. We've done it. We've hit the goal. We have raised over £1,000, which means that we are going to successfully rescue the digger out of the scrapyard, which is mental. We had a month to do this, and I thought we might be able to do it in a month. But it's been, at the time of filming, 4.5 hours. So you guys are just the best fan base that we could ever ask for. Thank each and every one of you for donating. You have made one idiot here very happy indeed. I am blown away. It's amazing. So, what happens now? Well, I get to make this very excited phone call in the morning and be like, hey guys, you know how I said I needed a month to be able to hopefully raise the money to buy the digger? Got the money now. When can you deliver? So that's really exciting. Now, we have now exceeded the target. You guys don't need to do any more. Nobody needs to pay any more money. We don't need any more donation. That said, if you want to keep donating, we'll keep the link up here somewhere. There are things we could spend the money on. So every penny that we go over our budget now will go on sorting out that digger when it comes here. So that'll be a service, cleaning it, and acquiring the stuff we need, the glass, a new door, and bits and pieces. We also have major plans for upgrading the shed and making it a bit better to film in and to work in. So if we do happen to go over, some money will be spent on helping us achieve this, which will make us able to make better videos for you, particularly what's broken now. And finally, my loco needs new tyres, which, as I've mentioned, are quite expensive and cost more than the locomotive itself. So if we do happen to keep going over, some money will be spent on helping that out. Absolutely, we don't need to do it at all. Nobody else needs to spend any money, but if you want to, that's what we do with the money. So thank you very, very much. When we started this, we had no idea that the channel was going to explode and become this big, and we really could never have dreamed of such a lovely audience. So thank you to each and every one of you. We're really, really enjoying it. We love the interaction between you guys. We love the comments. We love responding to you. And if you've been into the Discord, we love chatting with all you guys. If you haven't, there's a link in this video to join our Discord and get in touch with us. So yeah, you guys are the best. Thank you so much. I cannot wait to go get the digger. And then we are going to go find someone and dig a big hole with it, because I said we're going to, and what else do you do with a digger? I'm very excited. And as you can tell, I've got a bit of a cold at the moment, so you have made my day of feeling sorry for myself just so much better on a personal note. You also might notice with this video, we have a new logo. So we're moving and modernising. Let's hear your feedback on our new logo. Hopefully you like it. If you don't like it, be nice, because Matt's worked very hard to design that. So that's it. Thank you guys, and we'll be back with a regular schedule. Probably never going to do 2 videos again in a day. Who knows? But if you want to see the video before this, which was the finding the digger, it'll be somewhere. I don't know how Geffers framed this up. I'm here, so somewhere in this space over here there'll be a link to that video, and probably a link to another video, because we normally do 2. Who knows? Probably this one that I'm sitting on. Also, dump trucks, really nice seats. But yeah, thanks guys. You're amazing. Each and every one of you are amazing.